Today I tried making viral tissue squishies, and it did not go as planned. But after a few fails, I think I figured out what actually works. I started by placing fiber inside a few layers of tissue and shaping it into a flat ball. But later I realized it's actually much easier to start with a square shape, color it first, and then tape the corners to form the ball. Also, try not to tape the areas you plan to color, because you won't be able to paint over the tape. I first tried coloring with oil pastels. They're really vibrant on paper, but on tissue, not so much. So I kept adding more color and more. And then it tore. I tried again, same method. It tore even worse. At this point, I needed a new plan. If you like light coloring, oil pastels are okay. Just color carefully and do not add layers of color. But if you want vibrant colors, like me, it doesn't work. So I needed a new plan. So I removed one layer of tissue and switched to felt tip pens. This time I colored slowly, very gently, and the color actually showed up really well. It was a bit wet, but finally it worked. Then I drew a capybara face. But I didn't expect the ink to spread on the wet surface, so the eyes and ears kept getting bigger and bigger. At this point, I just accepted it. This is now a kawaii capybara with big eyes. I wrapped it in stretch film, taped the corners to shape it, not too tight, just enough to hold it together. Then I poke tiny holes so it can actually squish. For the second squishy, I made a pale cat. This time, I used gray color and worked more carefully. For the face, I used a regular pen for the details, but it was actually harder than I expected. The pen doesn't glide well on the wet surface, so you have to be really gentle to avoid tearing. And my daughter made these two bird squishies using the same method. Her squish test is much more confident than mine. Which one is your favorite? Capybara, cat, or birds?